Goldie.
I feel like it's working already. You good, girl?
Credit Karma. Give yourself some credit. What do you think? Let's get it.
Pretty. Mama cat. I don't know.
They're big fans over there.
Nazi stole a painting? No, that shows a pattern of Nazi that I've seen before. When the Nazis came into power, they passed laws forcing Jews to register property. It provided them virtual shopping lists. They looted homes by day, shipped the families off to the camps the same night. Right, no witnesses. Except for the few who survived.
Alright, well, what we do know is that whoever stole the Pissarro had skills.
Well, the Bureau has a database of career art thieves. Let's start there. Alright, we'll get on it.
This is the perfect way to show that electric and magnetic forces are two sides of the same coin.
Pretty.
Right. Hey guys, what are we doing here? Oh, this screw is attached to this battery by a magnet, and a current running through the wires causing that screw to spin. Let me guess, show and tell day?
Yeah, Charlie and I are preparing a joint lecture on circular motion.
Yeah, the movement is covered by
Dumbass.
Why do the fucking air go
The same principle that causes hurricanes to spin counterclockwise.
Damn, Mama cat.
What's happening? What's happening? The Pissarro was stolen last night.
Father's impressionist painting.
Give me the Pissarro. I'm sorry. There's the Roland Museum. They were in and out in less than 6 minutes, so we got a database of art thieves' names.
You be nice to your baby.
You can get through it fast for us.
Maybe we can use a quadratic discriminant analysis.
Right, we can look for
You tired of them playing with you, so you want to play with them, huh?
data that match to a new set of data. Good, good.
This case identifying variables of a particular theft.
Type of art, museum, security, specifics of the crime.
Because there has to be something to this museum, or something about this particular piece of art that proved attractive to your thief, right? Right. In the field of flowers, we know that only certain types of flowers attract certain types of insects. An insect will only alight on certain flowers, just like a thief will only be attracted to certain targets based on specific characteristics. We know the characteristics of this most recent theft, and we can compare that data to past thefts. Using a quadratic discriminant analysis, I mean, we should be able to quickly and, efficiently boil down your suspect pool. I came to the right place.
I might have a suspect here. 8 years ago, Mrs. Erica Hellman was notified by the art loss register that the current owner of the Pissarro was trying to sell it.
Art loss register? Database of lost and looted artworks. I've often seen it come into play in Holocaust claims.
The owner's dealer checked the Pissarro against the registry, found Mrs. Hellman's claim that it had been looted by the Nazis. She sued the owner. His name's Peyton Shoemaker, and she lost. Apparently there was insufficient documentation.
Not surprising. Nazis are very good at covering their tracks. How old is this woman?
According to the DMV, she's 78.
There are people she could have paid to do this.
Did you know about the Pissarro's provenance, Mr. Ruiz?
Of course. As the museum's curator, I have to know.
Doesn't sound like you're too troubled by the indications that it was once looted by the Nazis.
No, it was a concern. But we did our due diligence. The owner's paperwork was in order. We were satisfied with the assurances he provided us.
Especially with the importance of an acquisition like this one.
There are many paintings with problematic provenances, Agent Reeves. That doesn't mean they're all Nazi-looted art.
Yes,
Pretty!
those other paintings would have increased your admission revenue.
That is too damn rough. That is not a full-grown cat you're kicking.
Like ours. Perhaps the Guggenheim could afford to be more selective, but we can't.
So, one family's misfortune will be another man's treasure.
The painting hung in my home in Berlin. When I was little, my father used to pretend that we were the people in the painting. He always promised that when I got old enough, he would take us all there to Paris. Obviously, it did not happen.
I'm sorry for your loss. I hope you understand why I would have to ask you about it.
Well, I hate to disappoint you, but you have the wrong man. Naturally, I would love to have it back again. You see, the Nazis, they took everything, not just the painting. I don't have one photograph of my family. But when I look at the Pissarro, I feel as if I was seeing them all again.
70 years ago. Sorry, traffic on the freeway. Yeah, there's Susan.
This is my grandson, Joe. This is Agent
Epps, Don Epps.
FBI.
From what I understand, a federal court denied your grandmother's claim. They used the law against her, same as they used it against my great-grandfather in 1938. We just didn't have the money to continue the fight.
What my grandson is saying is that we did not lose the painting on the merits of the case. We lost it because my memory is failing. I had 7 sisters and brothers. Do you have family?
Yeah, I have a father and a brother. And my mother passed away a few years ago.
You know what loss is then.
Well, look, I'm gonna need to take a look at your phone and your bank records. Now, of course, this would be with your consent. Maybe you'd like to take a painting.
Joe, please. I did not steal the Pissarro, though I admit it has run through my mind many times. Surely you can understand this. Family is our anchor to life. We lose it, we're adrift. You have no idea what it's like to be the only survivor of your family. And to have no idea why.
Yes.
I find this whole Nazi association just so sadly ironic.
How do you mean?
Okay, just observe this perspective. Now, most artists at the time, they painted street scenes from street level.
Yeah, but this was painted from a rooftop. Why? Artistic choice?
Survival. Pissarro was Jewish. He was living in Paris at the time of the Dreyfus Affair. Anti-Semitic mobs were roaming the streets. He feared for his life.
How do you know so much about Pissarro, Larry?
You know, my father was a painter.
Really? You never told us that.
It's not a memory that I gladly inhabit. File this one under the heading of parental disappointment.
He wanted you to be a painter?
He wanted me to see the world the way he saw it. Just the folly of fatherhood.
Tell me about it.
Why? Are you and your dad having problems?
You know, he's been getting on my case about how I maintain my house.
Now you see why I sold my house, okay? I renounced all worldly cares for the more sublime pursuits.